And then there was a story of this lady, bro. By Eluve,
yeah, uvile bathi kunomuntu odujulile
bro.
la.
Imagine.
Wendekeni lapha kahle
Bro.
kahle yathi mina ngayiva le nto.
Bro, imagine the honey is pregnant. Imagine.
Phela into ngiyawathi mina kubophela doku ngifunze ngingane. So futhi ke mfana hamba lapha esibayeni ngontana.
Engane.
Ya nathi ubuke mbamba. Hamba lapha esibayeni. Inkomo la ichamuka dogu neso. Unibambe iphondo. Uyibuyise phansi dogu. Uyiyange dogu ngaka.
Otherwise it kahle kwakhiwa yini le ngoma. Because vele dog, you know, Nazi dog, the reason why push us so it's because we wanna be people, like we wanna be great, like we wanna take care of you guys.
Yeah, well.
It's the way like it's something bad with us. It's not
disrespect or pollute the system or pollute the kids. No,
it's not like that. Pushing, bro.
You meaning I want it to put to a week your dad.
Sasihlala nje.
Uhlala la ugrand la uphuma nje la khaya. Ngiyawathi le dog ngishaya lesihlathi lesi. Try sona sodwa bra. Try lesihlathi sodwa bra for almost 20 minutes. So lokubhayindwa sona sodwa nje la. Ngokumke sibengana. Akushaye lo dog ugcine songevalue. Gcine nje sova lesandla bra sikuthini. Sova lesandla sikuthini. I'm telling you bra.
Hey yo, what's up with you? It's your boy, the one and only Realistic, the king, you feel me? Back again with another video. The Uncut Brothers, you know what I mean? We inside Tonjeni, shooting some crazy shit. You know what I mean?
All abafethu mphiwo bhanta mfana kaho mfana ka religions mfana la Vlakati sibuyile again with my man Olwell, the best podcasters at Tonjeni. The best young niggas to do it is Biggie, Kaho, the most famous niggas around here in YouTube, doing YouTube in Swaziland. Stay tuned. We love you. Yanithanza nonke lapho kamanzini nalapha embabani. Hlangano ngiyeda ngilondlela ntomdeni. Ngiyafuna ngifuni. For sure.
Gotta do some crazy shit, bro. It's crazy that we are trying, guys. Like, Sisi Swatini and shit with my nigga. You feel me?
Yeah.
Dog.
Hey.
Ungela usitoko say wanna fat today.
I have to talk, bro. A lot of shit.
Yeah. But dog, like I feel I'm never accountable, dog. You see the situation right now for us.
But noma ngabe kwentekani, bro. Yathi ukuthi nangumjidi uhlezi uphusha ngenkani. Yeah. Say your shit, bro.
No wait, dog. I mean, like I won't say something, but I say, you know.
Singayikhashana into ngifuna kuyisho dog, ngifuna kusho ukuthi I'm the most famous nigga is Biggie, the most handsome boy, the most handsome guy actually. Yeah. Don't fuck with me. Lapho kamanzini mbabani nibamnonke. Yeah. Ngisespeaking ngisentonjeni na Olwell fana sekhaya. Ngengisendela ukuthi sichubeka ngenkani. Yeah, yabo. Nalabo labakhuluma indoda yabo ngathi bayadada abakhuluma indoda yabo ngathi. Babe solo ba relaxe khona thini silabe sisebenda toti sakhe imali. It's fresh dog.
It's fuck, yeah.
Phethe Olwell inja yami from way back. Yeah.
So bro, like I've been at the Bensikhawash though.
Yeah. Shout out with you, bro.
Guys, like I'm doing something different, though. I'm trying to, you know, add some cash. You know, we say, what's into a dog? It needs to have like 7 streams of income.
Yeah. When something, bro.
So now I've been hustling like at the car wash. You go. So
shout out to your dad, bro.
Oh yeah, shout out to him, bro. You know, so
car wash is a huge thing.
Car wash is a huge thing, bro.
Yeah.
It's a huge thing.
Yeah.
So now when they got dog, and then there was this time where the queen and the king were passing, bro, by the road and shit.
Yeah.
So I was standing like by the wall. Uhlola dog. Like I was standing by the wall, and then there was a soldier that been moving there. But this bar, bro.
Yeah.
So I was like, then siyengizekukaqala kwenza queen and shit.
Yeah,
akwenza queen dog.
Sekuthiwa
Kanti mina ngifaka isigqoko dog.
Ungathi ucamouflage.
Ngifaka isigqoko and then kwasukhetha kwenza lo queen bro. Wasemjita ke. Yebo. Wena kwenza amakhosi wena ufake isigqoko. And then I was like, what the fuck, bro? Kuthi mshita waslim, bro.
But it's so
to go over like an except.
Yasonzela
to over like an except, bro. Noma ukhoboza lemtimba wabo
you bisilapho.
Bro, was no except bro. I'm like me. Nah, it's not dead. What's in front of school to? Abamkhwesha.
Dead. Wasida to kusuka na kuwe. Bese kafuna kususa umsindo.
But maybe to better to bull. Who knows? Because these people are crazy.
But I don't have let me move to anything could have happened.
It's a publisher on times, but see, meaning someone inserted the king.
But in the pro, you should have known, I would say, they are straight dog. Say, they are straight. Especially in the pro, we are now when a king and queen.
Bro, but like, okay, bro, now we have morals.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't believe in it, and maybe like, I don't believe in it.
Yeah.
Dog, okay, I know, dog. I'm Swazi, dog.
Yeah.
I respect the culture, but I feel like, bro. But it is what it is, because it's what it makes sense.
Yeah.
I call this a fast dog to the story.
Yeah, what always
I'm telling you. I call this.
But I like to bowl and fun,
bro. Talk like
but so yeah, I don't know because now going to my course
for sure. And I know now, bro. And then there was a story of this lady, bro. By Eluve,
yeah, uvile bathi ngomlodo Julia.
Bro, imagine.
When they again lapha kahle kahle yathi mina ngayipha
Bro, imagine the honey is pregnant,
ufene ntwana.
Bro, was crazy, dude.
Oh, Elspeth dog kanze sinema how many months?
I don't know. Probably beside
Ngiva bathi mina lapha no Cherry, she acted suspicious, bro.
How, bro?
Angathi namphathi nje bathi udokujulelo because she acted suspicious
and she there.
Shothi kumbe bona babona ngathi excuse me, babona ngathi noma ukhipha sibam or something.
Oh.
Yabo.
But and then the other story yathi like washohlisa alfastel and shit. And then as soon as I'm keeping short though, headshot.
What the fuck?
And then what like, bro? For real though. And then the story of
ngilaleli ngicabanga lo wamdubuka ukuthi nyalo ise uthini because I'm pretty sure naye ngicala nyalo sexile ukuthi ubulela umuntu.
Yeah. For sure.
I don't know, but ngicala but one plan because
they have to, bro. They have to do. Bro, imagine the child inside though.
Ngicabanga yona phela ngawo ukuthi awuthi bese mesinyanga letinganani yabo.
Hey, but dog, I don't want to get into politics and shit.
But like uyayisaba kuyiteka.
Nah, izola ukuthi ngisaba, bro. Like I respect the king and the queen.
You have to respect, bro.
Just like you said, bro. I have to respect
everything you say, bro. Because vele batubona balaleli. So kufuna nathi ukuthi sitakhuluma konke ngeorder ngeke sikhulume.
We have to talk about everything.
Kwamele, bro.
So it's like that, bro.
But again, shout out to our fans, bro.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mpho Pandam's fans, bro.
For sure.
Yeah, shout out to Always fans, bro.
Yeah.
Sanithanza kakhulu siyandzinga mina angingifihle vele sanitzinga. Yabo kuze nasenhlangano bayibone le podcast le ngidzinga wena lapho ukuthi ulive. Yabo nasemzansi kanjalo nabe nithi nigcwele ngabantaba. Dot mina ngidabe solo ngikhona na always sikhuluma noma ngayi neziba ngathi sina ukuyikhuluma because kahle thine i-aim yethu dog uthi wonke umuntu omusha noma ngabe ufuna ukusho something noma ngabe unento lafisa kisho mhlamba ngathi kanza ukuthi thina sesiyamkhulumela because sinjalo
sim invite here.
You know noma sim invite
guys you are welcome here, bro. Anytime dog, especially the baddies, bro.
Bakhumbude ukuthi sikuphi bro because badacabanga ukuthi isikhashana.
Nah dog, it's speak into njeni.
Yeah.
You feel me? So like I mean I like baddies. I don't know, my guys. Do you like baddies? You like pretty hard?
Everybody love baddies, dog.
So baddies, you should consider us, bro. We're here.
Sifuna ukuva ukuthi wena ufuna kuthini.
Yeah.
Because nawukhanza ukuthi kunento lofuna ngathi bantu bangayadi.
Type shit.
So fika la kimi. Noma ufike la olweli. Sidabe sendonjeni thini. Bevela abantu ukuthi ufuna kuthini. Yabo. Oh lokunye leningakwadi. Machere ndo njena amonke. Yebo ngingilomjikelo bamba bonke labo cherry nje.
Care.
Ngiyantshela.
Nah, angikuthembi bro, like correct.
But ngiyadlala mina, but for real dog.
So now you wanna do Trey Oson's moves. You wanna have, cause dog, I don't wanna.
So khulumelani nga Trey Oson. Trey Oson's bengakaplan ukuthi sikhuluma ngayi namhla, but asikhulumi. But shout out to Trey Oson's, bro. I fuck with your grind, bro. I fuck with your grind, Trey. Yeah. And ngingathanda ukuthi ugcine ufikile la.
Type shit.
Ngingathanda ukuthi ugcine ufikile la. Yeah, ngiyakudinga. Yabo. Kuningi lengifuna ngathi ungangichazela, bro. The nigga just went grab his
bro, I have to.
Shades and shit.
I have to.
You have to.
So yeah, I'm back.
Looking fire out there.
For sure, bro. I have to be fire.
My nigga.
You know what I mean?
Always
I'm here, dog.
Yeah.
Dog, like it. Dog, I believe Kutwena, dog. I don't know, maybe you're playing with me but I know, dog, in a way you can see the vision of this team. You can see like
day after
day was bro, like the shit is going somewhere, bro.
That's why bro ngihlezi ngikutshela ukuthi bro, I believe in this
for
team,
sure,
bro.
For sure. So dog, we gotta execute this shit like in a good way, bro. Like we gotta move different and shit.
Njengoba ngihlezi ngikutshela mina ke ukuthi mina bro, I always fight side by side with you, bro. Yeah, kwamele, bro.
Bro, noma ngabe kuvela into noma bro.
Uyakwadi ukuthi kwayona le podcast le. Bantu basethi ayi-attack kakhulu,
for sure, cause like
but mina ngingajabula ukuthi nisi-attack, bro.
Yeah.
Ngifuna wena lolo lapho lo ngafuna ukureact
type shit.
Yeah. Yabo. But basic Trey
Osons. Yeah, you like Trey a lot, bro.
Ngimfuna la. Ngimfuna kule podcast le, bro. Kuningi ngifuna ngichazele kona, bro. Ngimfuna la Trey.
Crazy.
I fuck with his grind, bro, to be honest, bro. It's a young nigga, bro. Getting cash.
Type shit.
Yeah. Nathi sasisho ukuthi kunemali siyakhako, bro.
Yeah.
Awuyakhi wedwana, nathi siyayakha.
Yeah.
Where's my garment, bro?
Yeah, I wanna give you the cam, bro.
Shit, bro.
I wanna give you the cam, bro. What the fuck?
Need to drink this coke and shit.
Let me see.
Yeah, I need to drink this coke and shit. Yeah.
Guys, we don't drink, just drink Coca-Cola and shit.
Let me try the coke, bro. Yeah.
Type shit. Crazy as fuck in this motherfucker. But yeah, we are always sober.
I'll tell you so. No, you took solo menda with Valentine.
Bro, yeah. No, now I got you.
Saying sure like competition solo good demand abafuna when content.
Nah.
You sure what is the humble so Valentine? You sure what is pet?
Even bro, when you're in Pig Speak.
What do you love, bro, about Pig Speak? Maybe part of Tanzania will have to
Glenn talk like
maybe quiet up, man, bro.
Kunamachela amahle, bro.
Mina Glenn benginokuhamba khona dog. Ngihamba. Khathi ngiyahamba ngiyophuma ngale maybe prison.
Yeah.
Angabona ngisho linye lihamba. Maybe bengide lenhlanhla yawo.
I feel like a Glebo, you see Glenn like ufana na se checkers and shit.
Checkers good quiet kakhulu, bro.
Quiet kakhulu nase Glenn.
Checkers quiet kakhulu. Bantwana base checkers bahamba ngetimoni dodwa. Ababona, bro.
But dog is the same thing. I feel like it's the same thing.
Ngisho so.
But I mean, I feel like it's the same thing.
Afuna bona abantwana bahambe ngoyo, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, ekumathapha.
Ngoyo is like a gas and shit.
Ekumathapha, bro, ababona bomshana.
Yeah, ngiyabesawa ngamathapha. Yo.
Yeah, it broke freezing la, what the fuck? I will check.
Is the way. cameras are wrong.
Yeah.
We
I'm checking everything.
It's fine, it's cool.
It's cool, bro. It's grand. It's nah. Yeah, bro.
Fana smile. Fana hot shot air. Kukechi smooth.
It's smooth, bro. I want to talk like one. Hey, I want to not bend batovuka nini. Sebatovuka sesikhashana kakhulu. Because it's started over. I mean, inhlezi ngisho vele ukuthi la speak I'm the most famous guy. Because la speak ngimna always, bro. Bantu laba spanako, bantu laba deep with content.
Bro, imagine
First podcast in Fonjeni.
First different podcast in the whole of Eswati.
Bro.
Bro, mine.
Even nasesikoleni lapho sifunza khona ngithi bekucala do. When the podcast. That's crazy, bro.
Type shit.
Yeah. Semakhaya thina. Semakhaya, but look at the studio.
It's crazy as fuck.
It's nah.
So you're breaking now.
Totally, bro.
Fuck with this shit. Fuck with this shit. I see the bro. I fuck with the shit, bro. So like, bro, like
what?
the more.
Tell me yours, bro. Ngifuna kuva akho my YouTubers, bro, for this week.
Yeah. From top 5.
Yeah, bantu babukela.
Okay, let's go like this. First nigga that I watch, I would go with Ibi the Kid.
Ibi the Kid, yeah.
Shout out to Ibi the Kid. From Cape Town. And then Bruce.
Yeah. Bruce.
Bro, I don't know. And then Joseph Dairy
for sure.
And then definitely goes through be the king of YouTube.
Right, say
the king of YouTube. And then the last one, bro. I'll go with Hot Shot Aaron.
Shout out Hot Shot Aaron.
Guys, those are my top 5. It doesn't mean I hate or something.
Favor kakhulu ba.
Nah. I just never bukela out.
Bahlonipha bonke.
Yeah, but bahlonipha bonke and shit. So it's like that. Those are my top 5. But like, bro, you see who's Hot Shot Aaron when that on the stage.
I usebenza kakhulu Hot Shot Aaron say.
Hot Aaron is crazy, bro.
Nalama beef.
Bro,
nalama beef la kabhubhutela. Yahlanya lo.
Did you watch the recent video, the stream?
No, bekana ba.
Bekana with this baby from Open Chat podcast.
Who?
The bed is called Adonis. Yeah, shout out to Adonis. He did a stream, bro. Like, I saw Hot Shot Aaron bought a new car and shit. So the new car, like, him and his friends, they went to fetch their hand, like, at the home stage, bro. Like, wangena ngekhatsi car, bro.
So the streamer
toti, bro. Imagine, and then the dead pull up like via the gate. Over the gate and shit.
Okay.
And then bro, like, not like if I'm got then talk me. I was surprised because, bro, there are families like that. Kuti bro. We streamer, bro, type shit. Imagine dog can go the bro. Bro. I was like,
ngafuna ngiqale ngikhulume nabo babe
bro, yeah, for sure. So talk about like me, bro. Fuck. Couldn't do engineer dog. I was like, yeah. Some families, bro. I want another level, bro. SA, bro. Is
and then for by the be successful.
Bro, yeah. That's why, bro. These people, they have like.
They got in number of views.
I was watching the live stream.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Yeah, for sure.
So like the whole stream, bro, Hot Shot Aaron, dog. Like fuck the part. I mean, I was surprised by the fact which not talking. Lo bro. Like he accepted the Uti kutumchita tutaswa mbanake, bro. The daughter. Imagine.
Anzi already lo babe so cheliwe nga Hot Shot Aaron. Le nigga leli.
Yeah.
He will provide.
Yeah.
No ngashaye. Yabo. Bayadi ukuthi lo mjiji eventually mbana ngeke amendisi.
Type shit.
kube kuthiwe nje qhambi komjida lokusi-call center lo ngabonakala iplan yakhe ukuthi yini
angeke survive
nalokuthi utsheliwe futhi ukuthi baby lo mkhwenyana usebenza nga-something like this usebenza ngalokushuthi babe nje he was playing along.
He knew everything
ukuthi we're doing this shit for content.
Boy, shout out to the day though. There are families like that.
They are, bro.
Charlie on another level.
They are, bro. But ngizange sengithole family though khanze ukuthi bakuvuma.
Nah, bro, like why are you
keeping
you are not keeping you are trying to be emotional now.
Okay, maybe mhlawumbe endle ngibe ngakhona ngathi emotional party angikhumbuli bro.
You want to be sympathizing now.
Sometimes ukhanze ukuthi awuthoni naleli thuba lethi ungene kulomndeni. Lo cheli hleza akubeka le yenteka phela kuthi cheli akubeke lapho ubone ukuthi lapho.
Yeah.
Angifune ukuthi ngisondele la mndeni.
So like you tell me ukuthi you have a bad past, like you didn't grow up just like every child.
No, bro.
What happened, bro? Your background, I want to know your background, like maybe 50% of it. Starting from where you were in primary. Starting from grade 1 up until finish school. Tell me your story, bro.
Bro, when I'm fine, agase angeke ngithi agase sekubeke cool but nje liqiniso lithi bra akusiyo impilo vele le philwa noma ngibani impilo ngiphilile because into le yendeka mfana kwahandala ukuthi shonela time asibancane so nashonela nashonela time wakho sokuthi already ngizositele lapho sibhala wakho mfana ukuthi already lihambe lo7 so nasambe so7 like bekashiya sodwa ekhaya yabo ashiye sihlale so there will be people who will offer ukuthi hayi mina I can take your boy I can take these girls
I can take
while you are away yabo yabo ukhande ukuthi vele so endaphala nalapha
your old family
like that but qiniso lethi bra mina vele ngihleli emakhaya eNcumbi kusengisakhula bra emakhaya eNcumbi ngisakhula bra I've been raised by a lot of people bro so I've seen shit bro ngiyawati mina bro
tell me
there was this time bro lawa already khona bekasebenza khona sebenza khona ngala amahlathini ngala athi bopha because ukuthi mina ngisuka ePower bra nginginane nyawo
type shit
yeni leyo bra lapho ngifunza
nginane
to Power bro ngihamba lamahlathini bro ngifunza grade 4 shit cabanga yabo kuningi bro there was this time la bekosa khona ngesikolweni qaliyo sengaqala bro before esikolweni impilo yakho nje ibe impilo yasenkomeni esikolweni ngoba kumele weekend in home I've seen that shit bro I've seen that shit yabo shout out to my mom though because ngise waqinise kafika egcineni sebale hayi akusane nani mfana makabuye kimi shout out to my mom bro she's a hero though she's a hero but nje bro i-background yami fucked up kuningi bro kuningi hlele emakhaya abantu ufundiswa abantu bangibhadala ezikolweni but vele badzinge lokwana lokwa in return ngishayiwe ngihlukubetiwe mina ngiyakwazi idog ukuthi kuthiwa uwiki yodlala
sasihlala nje
awuyi uhlala la uground la kuphuma nje lakhaya ngiyakwazi le dog ngishaya lesihlathi lesi ushaya sona sodwa bra ushaya lesihlathi sodwa bra for almost 20 minutes so lokubhanywa sona sodwa nje la ngokumke sibenga akushaya lo dog ugcine songevalue gcine nje sovala isandla bra sikuthini sovala isandla sikuthini I'm telling you bra gcine sovala sikuthini lesandla
like you were in
primary school dog
imagine bro ukuthi
ngiyakwazi mina kubophela dog ngifunzeke ingane so futhi mfana hamba lapha esibayeni ngontana
ngengane
nathi ubuke mbamba hamba lapha esibayeni ingomo la iqhamuka dog inaso unibambe iphondo uyibuyise phansi dog uyiyange dog ngaka
otherwise itu kahle kwakhiwa yini lengo
bekungishishisa nje bekungishishisa kuthi ingqondo leyakhiwa kanjalo bra la bra bekuthatha advantage la dog thatha advantage thatha advantage bra yokuthi hayi thatha advantage yokuthi hayi uncencile lokuba la
Oh shit.
you can't say shit makwama ke kuphela dog le mi-17 le
Yeah.
funa sinakekele si-8 ngiyakwathi mina dog kubabede lutho pha bebede kusele gcoke ibhluku linempimbobo la ngemva uze ufase lijezi ekhalo dog wendele kufihla la ngemuva ufase lijezi emakhaya ngiyakwathi mina dog hamba ngetinyawo kwethude sikhathini
nokuthi yini ude like bro ngiyadog
njengokutshela ukuthi already besibaningi yabo so nasibaningi vele naye uhola leyo madlana encane funa sinakekele sonke yabo labanye uyabarentela because lapho nje siswami bese kafunze emhlatana amrentela speak full
like Winnie
ngise primary system high school uyamrentela already ngoba begabi mfana begabi bro begabi kakhulu so vele ngingabo ngathi dog ekuse akuyokwendeka dog ngikhanda ngathi ekuse ngiyande nganye hayi ngoba ukuthi ngithanda team I've never had shit so the little I get bro gotta spoil myself. I appreciate everything dog yabo exactly kube lula lapha kuneni okwendeka mfana kuneni
the story is touching yo guys the story is touching as fuck
iyodwa lento leyo kunale effect ethi nje kuse le to see your mama struggle bro besides le yakho bro to see your mama struggle bro mawakho abuya akutshela emehlweni bro ukuthi bamendeni bani you young bro you young as fuck dog you can't do anything kabe mawakho akutshela dog ukuthi bamendeni bathini can you imagine bro that's why vele bro ekuse good isikhathi sekulala bro I have to try by all means bro ukuthi ngigcine ngipopile bro because a lot of shit bro ekufuna ubuyele umvuyo wendiwa dog yabo ukabe mfana sekhaya but I'm grateful bro for life. I'm grateful for the friends I have. I'm grateful bro for everything that I have. My beautiful daughter bro.
Shut up
bro.
You're a man now bro.
I'm a man bro.
You're a man now bro.
And ngisoze bro ngavumela umuntu ende umphana yami lokwendeka kimi bro. It's crazy. Namara ngisho ukuthi wabavumela but then na situation because I was a shit bro ahamba yophana. Shout out to her bro.
Shout out to the mom
and shit bro. Now she's enjoying bro. Abantu bakhe bakhulile. Yabo umcela mawakho lutho. Yabo.
Because like bro vele dog it is nice ukuthi you know now that you have your own bag. Like you can
do your own things.
You can do your own things. They're not dependent bro to your dad and your mom. Because now bro ukuthi dog you have something now. Now wayakhuleka bro babe like shit okay. Now I can relax. Yabo uyazama. Mfana nami uyazama
yabo.
Because vele dog you know nathi dog the reason why push us so
Slambi wako wanamuhla.
It's because we want to be people like we want to be great like we want to take care of you guys. Yabo. It's the way like ukuthi it's something bad with us. It's not
disrespect or trying to pollute the system or pollute the kids. No,
it's not like that. Pushing, bro. Like pushing, like some like some crazy shit. Like we wanna be great. Wanna be great people out there. So if you guys can understand that, everything's okay, bro. Everything's okay, bro.
That's why I mean vele bro sengihlezi ngikutshela ukuthi these are hoes bro. These are hoes bro because like you cannot ukuthi bro ufike empilweni nemuntu umbone ukuthi ukuthi nigga sazama ukuhlanganisa impilo yakhe but at the same time somcinzitela la bro ukuthi akayekele focus kule grind focus wena bro everything la
and then once you give all the focus to her
and then she zooped like that bro
because bro the more vele unaka yena yebo unganganaki ibag awuphela ibag dasimondla ngani nje
usele phela wona lapho
kanti wala these hoes kanti what's wrong with them
now bangathi sinemanga ngithi mina buya la ude la kuma Uncut Brothers into sitshela ukuthi wena uva ukuthi kanjani cabanga kanjani
bro kanti what's wrong what is wrong with girls bro but like
ngifuna amachera sebuhleni ngifuna la sespeak ngifuna wonke chela uva ngathi yena sinemanga ngasithi ngahluka ede lato sichazela ukuthi usho
ukuthini shit Yeah. But it's crazy, bro. It's crazy, bro. But it's a dog, me, and I'm sure, dog. Just focus on you. Build some. Just like you said, you want to build yourself first.
Nje.
Yabo. Dog, yabona, bro. To be honest, the match dog. Akasithandi, bro. Like, yadisho ngani, dog.
Ngale.
Dog yakena ukuthi dehani ukuthi angangibekisa ngawo. Like ngibekisa ukuthi ujoin emchita nje lo random ase high school and shit, or maybe like not high school, even outside.
Yabo.
Don't you think Lombard una celebrity crush?
No,
Yeah. So that's the ideal guy who is the current boyfriend or the crush?
The crush.
Yeah. So what does that mean, bro? The crush dog, the focus kuyo. The focus like what the crush was even you today. It's because the focus, bro.
The focus is bro.
So shocking your material logo, bro. So somebody said they like niggas that focused. And they like imagine that that's it, who build themselves like that focus, bro, like sasalaw, bro, and shit. Niggas that are
Pela very dog
that are the prize, bro.
Waba focused especially bro wakhona to make sure ukuthi kuse ugolega especially timbasha kubiya ngasekhaya utakhona provide.
Yeah.
Awinini bro.
For sure.
Winini bro.
For sure.
Winini.
Now you gotta have the back, bro. Yabona
uyidla ungayidla dog but
yeah.
Wangakhona provider bro utahamba
bro.
udle kanye
hambile nje.
Uyidle dog.
Yabo. Dog banifana dog they want. Let me grab my shares real quick, bro.
You have to,
talk
dog.
To them.
Yeah.
I can't forget my Coca-Cola in this page.
Yeah.
Sipping Coca-Cola. What is the name, bro? Okay, for now we're saying Buso haircut. Oh, VJ Baba Shop.
Shout out to VJ Baba Shop in Vanjane.
Inside. You know?
Dotty.
Inside shooting podcast and shit. I'm in my dog.
Dotty.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Hey bro, I feel like dog is it is tough to be someone different out there. Cool, bro.
So cool, man.
Like in let me say dog, you have a talent.
Yeah.
It is hard to discover when who you are.
Like Kulmela would say, would you discover when or man?
Like we discover when what are you good at?
Yeah, I would cool.
What is something that when to be successful in the future?
Uba stress but as it's success so do you
so that's why I get him bro. Nangabe bro folile. Just appreciate you.
Good lokunye. Make sure ukuthi we appreciate ubambe ngetanda lethu.
Yeah.
Because kukhulu kakhulu vele.
Kukhulu kakhulu bro.
Discover.
Kukhulu kakhulu discover.
Baningi bane stress ukuthi ngabe ngendalo. Yabo. Bajike wena solitholile lethu. Ngabe udlalelana ngesikhathi.
Me and my bro we doing YouTube content creation.
Yeah.
So
kuthi sesingazi simele umuntu utatositshela ukuthi hey nina this is your job
yabo. Bro, there was this one time la ngixoxa nawe to.
Yeah.
Wathona ke about this YouTube thing. The MP.
Let's talk about
over the phone.
Yeah.
The MP, Minister of Tourism.
Yeah.
Or Minister of Tourism, who Savannah, right?
Yeah.
And then now you told me we bakhuluma about this Google thing for
monetization
and this one thing and everything,
yeah.
bro. But then in the end there was this one time you called me, one last time you said it's like everything now is starting to be cancelled. The teaser dog. Like uvangjan talk about it.
I wanna so long mangele dog ukuthi why exebende so cause na abantu bakhona wakha imali through i-content.
Yeah.
busidakala wonke umuntu kwanabo as a government basidakala
Yabo.
because uyabona kunyuka amathuba emisebenzi
Yeah.
so bro mina vele understand ukuthi how would you refuse such a thing
Bro,
inhlungu vele
for the
bra.
kids, bro.
Inhlungu kakhulu bra baningi abantu labademotivated bro ngokwendeka kwane shit le
Because like for me, bro, like if I was like the minister is someone who pull up with a
Good
with
idea.
a good idea,
Yabo.
creativity, bro.
uhamba ngalenye lane vele lo mali
Yabo.
yabo
So,
samhlonipha
it's
manje
like-
savana
Salute you, mama.
yabo
So it's like that, bro.
nama nga-understand it ukuthi why sebancaba bro but it's the prime minister bro babukile labakubukako bona
Yeah.
babona ukuthi hayi short le nto ngeyiside or beva ngathi live izawu-affecteka kanjani I don't know
Oh.
yabo I don't know
But bro, most likely it's business at the end of the day, bro.
nami solo ngisangene bra but nje ba-refusile bro that's the case no check
So it's like that, bro.
it's like that man
Ish, but dog, like it's crazy. But like we out here, guys. The Uncut Brothers, episode 2. Guys, I know Gucci. The first 2 episodes, 3 episodes might not. I don't know, but angeke yende the impact kufanele ngabe iyayenda lawo ma videos lang too. But I know Gucci somewhere somehow people out there they fucking with this thing. Cause like bro, we're coming really with some crazy shit. You know what I mean?
ude lesingeze kukhuluma
Are we coming, bro? Crazy shit. You see, are you okay, bro? It seems like you're not here.
what do you mean bro like I'm okay bro
Okay.
I'm okay
Okay.
kuyobanza mugrand bafethu
Aware.
qhubeke kubukelwe doti khona mina chilling bro doing this podcast
shit and everything. Cause like as soon as very bro, everything like come in order and everything.
kuningi vele ushintsho laba khona so
Like everything will be fire.
yabo
You know what I mean?
yeah
But like, do you wish to go out of the country, bro? Or you like staying in Swati?
ngajabula kakhulu dog phuma ngajabula phuma dog ngiyathanda especially South Africa bro
Yeah.
yabo kona ngayi kakhulu but diningi indzawo lengithakaselayo khona
As far like, what makes you to want to vibe there, bro? Like,
for me bro the road bro
yeah.
yabo they have good roads dog oflate labangayi shaya ngabothaka lapho mfana yeah and
Lifestyle.
then nalokuva labantu bakhuluma different languages and shit yeah vibe bro vibe I don't wanna lie
Wait, Joburg, bro.
yeah I was at Joburg bro
You think Joburg is crazy?
bro at Joburg bro nawumela nalapha bakhuluma language nalapha bakhuluma language
Different languages.
different language but as soon as wena ukhuluma Swati ulithonsile liso dog I'm telling you
They fuck with the Swati people.
they fuck with the Swati accent and shit
Oh,
They
what's in
I'm Swati
You say accent shit.
I'm Swati
Oh.
I'm Swati we have Swati like say they just love it bro
Yeah, bro. I feel like when you go there, like, let's see, but that the thing of bro. It's my swag, bro.
ngiyakuva
We're different as fuck.
we
Like
are
he-
different
Because very Swati, bro, you know, it's like there's a live, bro, labokona.
hlonishwa yeah
So very eventually, one back home to very.
as soon as uvele ebantwini
So there's a very
basho bathi ayina Swati
bro.
but nga-enjoya dog South Africa beautiful girls bro
Beautiful girls, bro.
beautiful girls dog sange ngikushilo yabo
Beautiful girls, bro.
yeah but la kangwane vele bro salida bro
With them honeys.
with them honeys ay bro
Nah, bro.
bro I mean I say Swazi hands bro
Swazi hands,
bro.
Swazi hands versus SA hands.
bro ukil say telling me about SA hands
Bro, SA hands, they're crazy. The Durban hands.
bro Swazi hands bro
KZN hands.
But when I get bra, you are tapped in on IG. You are the one who can tell me about Swazi Hans.
The problem with the Eswatini, bro, Hans, like, njengoba washo dog now, whatever, like, they don't go to IGs.
Yeah,
most of them they are on Facebook.
Yeah.
And so angisho futhi ukuthi just because kanjalo abasiko bahle, but I'm saying, bro, the case at Enhance, they on another level because they on IG. Except, bro,
they're on IG, they're
on Facebook,
they're on money shit,
bro,
they're getting bags, bro.
So let me present bad, bro, like bad, bro.
But uyabo, to be honest, dog, uyabona nami, bro, noma ngilothi ngihleli kakhudlwana imbaba, yabona phela abantwana bayangwani, dog. Hi bro. Okay. For me, bro, I mean abantwana bakangwane, especially abantwana basembabane.
Yeah.
Shout out abantwana basembabane bahle, bro.
Yeah, bias fuck.
Nah, ungene lapha Mr. Price. Bro, dababona.
Dog, I'm not saying ukuthi abasiyo bahle.
Bahle kakhulu.
Bahle kakhulu, bro.
Yeah.
But mina bese ngibuka, bro, uqala ngeSwaziland, bro, is more than
it's small vele, bro. Ngiyakuvumela ke part le.
Bro, have you seen Cape Town Hans? Have you seen Joburg Hans? Have you seen KZN Hans?
Bro,
KZN Hans, they are thick as fuck. They are veggies, most of them.
Phela vele ngiyababona base KZN, bro. Ngiyaba check.
Ditebo kithi umkhosi omhlanga, bro.
You check ama reels akhe, dog.
Cause umfana kithi. It's recording in this motherfucker. It's recording in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Recording in this motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Part 2.
Where the cameras at?
The cameras.
Where the cameras at, bro?
Where the cameras at? The camera.
For sure. For sure, the cameras in front of us, bro.
But like, dog.
Yeah.
Umhlanga, the rip dance, you're talking about the shit.
Umhlanga. Hey, besikhuluma ngale bantwana ase emhlangeni ukuthi bam. Do you think, bro, I would say the girls get smashed out there na bayimhlangeni?
Bro, that's for sure. Some of them they get smashed.
Ngakhanza ukuthi vele most of them get smashed because, bro, look how happy they are, bro, na bayimhlangeni. Udumbana ungafuni ngemhlangeni. So uyabo ukuthi ay le freedom lena shothi bayiningi kakhulu. Yeah.
For sure. Mind you, when I bro lapho.
Lala bangayi ngilala banani, bro.
I think, bro, preference when you're more chill, like, do I want to go there or I don't want to go there? Go.
Yeah.
So it's like, bro, they all get smashed. No, not all of them. Some of them do get smashed.
Maybe mhlambe ku easy ukuthi usmash lehande lisemhlangeni.
Because lapha vele anje people with money pull up there.
And nabo labantwana nasuke bayile kuyobona abantu phela lapha. Futhi new people.
The niggas who are money out there.
Yeah. Don't you think now broke ngeke so get it? Ngeke so special hand emhlangeni? You can because labantwana babaningi kakhulu ene. Kukhona lena khanze sabasayithola attention, so they will accept whatever leconzana nabo.
Bro, you think labantwana basuke bayele vele amajita lapho?
Bro, it's look at how even noma ngabe kune gig, bro. Look how they wear, bro. Look how they rock their outfits. They make sure they be paying as fuck.
For us. No?
For us, bro, to appreciate them, to see what success we here.
Oh,
shout out to girls, bro. I fucking love girls, bro.
For sure.
I fuck with girls, bro. Even though mani types yami labo mshana nabadak manje yabangifuna baba le.
Abadak.
Ish dog excel amadak.
You love the dark ones.
Yeah, I fuck with the dark ones, dog.
Like, what's your type, bro? Give me like my qualities.
Chill,
bro. Yeah, qualities.
Ngifuna ibe dark.
Dark, yeah. Like, let me say 5 qualities on a girl that you love.
Thick,
yeah.
For sure, thick. BBL.
Yeah,
BBL. Oh.
Fuck with people.
I fuck with people.
But like the other day you told me tonight you don't fuck with BBL, bro.
I'm sorry, bro. I lied. I fuck with BBL, bro.
Yeah.
For me, that's enough.
2 qualities. Yeah. You don't give a fuck whether the man.
I don't give a fuck.
Bro, the 2 characters inside.
Bro, I'm smashing here.
Bro, you wanna smash on?
Yeah, I'm not cuffing anybody. Fuck bro. Angithathi muntu ngisimesha kuphela.
What the fuck?
Yo bro.
So like you very though, but like I fuck with that idea, bro. Because like very good to say, bro, you can't fuck a hand right now.
Yeah.
They are big boys.
Yakhumbula dok ndo Somali lihandle letule ezone 2.
Which
Leli dark.
oh
Lenga Somali ngalimela linadula
oh the thick one.
Ya leli thick sengilifake phansi umbrella la.
The one
Hey, shit.
The one abakuthola nayo by the bridge. The one you were kissing by the bridge.
Yeah, the one I was mourning by the bridge though. Things will go through bro just to get some hand. La ukuthi shonela time asibancane. So nashonela time.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, nashonela time wakhosa ukuthi already angithusitele lapho sibhala.
Yeah.
Wakhosa mbhala ukuthi already lihambe lo7.
Yeah.
So nasambe so7 do before like bekashiya sodwa ekhaya yabo.
Yeah.
Ashiye sihlale. So there will be people who will offer ukuthi hayi mina I can take your boy.
Yo.
I can take these girls.
Oh,
Yabo,
I can take
while
it.
while you are away yabo.
Yeah.
Yabo khande ukuthi vele so endapha lapha.
Oh, then your old family.
Yeah.
Like
Like that. But qiniso lethi bra mina vele ngihleli emakhaya eNcumbi kusengisakhula bra. Yo, emakhaya eNcumbi ngisakhula bra. I've been raised by a lot of people, bro. Yeah. I've seen shit, bro. Ngiyawati mina bro.
Yeah. Tell me,
bro.
Yeah.
There was this time, bro, lawa already khona bekasebenza khona. Sebenza khona ngala amahlathini ngala athi bopha. Because ukuthi mina ngisuka ePower, bro. Nginginana nyawo
Type shit.
Jeni leyo, bro. Lapho ngifunza
Nginana
to Power, bro.
To Power.
Ngihamba la mahlathini, bro. Ngifunza grade 4.
Shit,
cabanga. Yabo, kuningi bro. There was this time la bekosa khona ngesikolweni. Qala uyosengaqala bro before esikolweni. Impilo yakho nje ibe impilo yasenkomeni, esikolweni ngoba kumele weekend in hall. Yeah, I've seen that shit, bro. I've seen that shit. Yabo, shout out to my mom though, cause say waqinise kafika egcineni sebale hayi akusane nani mfana makabuye kimi. Shout out to my mom, bro. Hey, she's a hero though. She's a hero. But nje bro, i-background yami fucked up. Kuningi bro, kuningi. Hlele emakhaya abantu. Ufundiswa abantu bangibhadala ezikolweni but vele badzinge lokwanaloku in return. Ngishayiwe, ngihlukubetiwe. Mina ngiyakwazi idog ukuthi kuthiwa uwiki yodlala.
Sasihlala nje bro.
Awuyi yodlala. Uhlala la uground la uphuma nje lakhaya. Ngiyakwazi le dog ngishaya lesihlathi leso. Ushaya sona sodwa bro. Try to start sodwa bro for almost 20 minutes. So lokubhayindwa sona sodwa nje la. Ngokumke sibenga. Akushaya lo mdog ugcine songevalue. Gcine nje sovala isandla bro sikuthini. Sovala isandla sikuthini. I'm telling you bro. Gcine sovala sikuthini lesandla.
Like you were in primary school.
Primary school dog.
Yeah. Imagine bro ukuthi
ngiyakwazi mina kubophela dog ngifunze ngincane ngani. So futhi mfana namba lapha esibayini ngontana.
Ngengani.
Ya nathi ubuke mbamba. Namba lapha esibayini. Ingomo la iqhamuka dog inaso. Ufuna ibambe liphondo. Uyibuyise phansi dog. Uyiyangene dog ngaka.
Otherwise it kahle kwakhiwa yini lengoma.
Bekungishishisa nje. Bekungishishisa ukuthi ingqondo le yakhiwa kanjalo bra. La bra bekuthatha advantage la dog. Thatha advantage. Thatha advantage bra yokuthi hayi. Thatha advantage yokuthi hayi. Uncencile lokubala.
Oh shit.
You can't say shit. Makwama ke kuphela dog le mi17 ke.
Yeah.
Funa sinakekele si8. Ngiyakwathi mina dog kubabede lutho bra. Bebede kusethe. Gcoke ibhluku linempimbobo la ngemva. Uzufasa elijezi ekhalo dog. Wendele kufihla la ngemuva. Fasa elijezi emakhala. Ngiyakwathi mina dog hamba ngenyawo kwethude sikhathi.
Nokuthi yini ude. Like bro. Ngiyadog
nje ngikutshela ukuthi already besibanenge yabo. So nasibanenge vele. Naye uhola leyo madlana lencane. Funa sinakekele sona. Yabo. Labanye uyabarentela because lapho nje siswami bese kafunze emhlatana. Amarentela speed.
Full down. Winnie.
Mina ngise primary season high school uyamrentela already. Kabanga. Bekabi mfana. bekabi bro. Bekabi kakhulu bro. So vele ngingako ngathi dog ekuse akuyowendeka dog ngikhanda ngathi ekuse nyande nganye hayi ngoba ukuthi ngithanda team. I've never had shit. So the little I get bro, gotta spoil myself. I appreciate everything dog yabo. Akuzazi kube lula bro. Kunengi okwendeka mfana kunengi.
The story is touching. Yo guys, the story is touching as fuck.
Iyodwa lento leyo kunale effect ethi nje kuse leyo to see your mama struggle bro. Besides le yakho bro. To see your mama struggle bro. Mawakho abuya akutshela emehlweni bro ukuthi bamendeni bani. You young bro, you young as fuck dog, you can't do anything. Kabe mawakho akutshela dog ukuthi bamendeni bathini good. Can you imagine bro? That's why really bro say I good just got sekulala bro. I have to try by all means bro ukuthi ngigcine ngipopile bro because a lot of shit bro ngifuna ubuyela umvelo wendiwa dog. Yeah well ukabe mfana sekhaya. But I'm grateful bro for your life. I'm grateful for the friends I have. I'm grateful bro for everything that I have. My beautiful daughter bro.
Shut up
bro.
You're a man now bro.
I'm a man bro.
You're a man now bro.
And ngisoze bro ngavumela umuntu ende umbana nami lokwendeka kimi bro. It's crazy. Namara ngisho ukuthi wabavumela but then na situation because I was a sheep bro ahamba yophani. Shout out to her bro.
Shout out to the mom
and she bro. Now she's enjoying bro. Abantu bakhe bakhulile. Yabo umcela mawakho lutho.
Because like bro, it is nice to you know now that you have your own bag. Like you can
do your own things.
You can do your own things. They're not dependent to your dad and your mom. Because now bro, dog, you have something now. Now we are colleague bro, like shit, okay. Now I can relax. Yabo uyazama. Mfana uyazama bro.
Yabo.
Because very dog, you know, Nazi dog, the reason why push us so it's because we wanna be people like we wanna be great, like we wanna take care of you guys. It's the way like we see it's something bad with us. It's not
disrespect or pollute the system or pollute the kids. No,
it's not like that. We're pushing bro, like Zamakwenda like some crazy shit. Like we wanna be great people out there. So if you guys can understand that, everything's okay bro. Everything's okay bro.
That's why I'm in a very bro. Ngihlezi ngikutshela ukuthi these are hoes bro. These are hoes bro because like say you cannot ukuthi bro ufike empilweni nemuntu umbone dog ukuthi say athi linika sasama uhlanganisa impilo yakhe but at the same time somcinzitela la bro ukuthi akayekele focus kule grind. I focus wena bro everything la
and then once you give all the focus to her
and then she zooped like that bro
because bro the more vele unaka yena yebo unganganaki ibag awuphela ibag tasimodla ngani nje
usele phela wona lapho
kanti what these hoes kanti what's wrong with them
now bangathi sinemanga simine buya la ude la kuma Uncut Brothers utositshela ukuthi wena uva ukuthi kanjani cabanga kanjani
bro kanti what's wrong what is wrong with girls bro but like
ngifuna amachera sebuhleni ngifuna la sespeak ngifuna wonke chera uva ngathi yena sinemanga ngasithi ngakhipha edela tosichazela ukuthi usho
ukuthini and shit but it's crazy bro. It's crazy bro. But it's a dog mina lengakusho dog. Just focus on you. Build some, just like you said, but you wanna build yourself first.
Yeah.
Dog yabona bro. To be honest, the match dog akasithandi bro. Like yadisho ngani dog.
Nglalela.
Dog yakena ukuthi the hand ukuthi angengibekise ngawo like ngibekisa ukuthi ujoyina emjida nje lo random as high school and shit or maybe like not high school even outside don't you think Lombard unayi celebrity crush?
No,
so that's the ideal guy umbani lapho is the current boyfriend or the crush?
Ivangathi the crush
so what does that mean bro? The crush dog yafocusa kuyo, yafocusa ku like what yabo le crash kuze ibe ngulomuntu lengiyo today. It's because yafocusa bro.
Yafocusa phela vele bro.
So kuthini ngamacherry lokho bro? So sabache dog they like niggas la focused. And they like majida la that's it, who build themselves like that focus bro, like sasalaw bro and shit. Niggas that are
phela very dog
that are the prize bro.
Waba focused nje, especially bro wakhona to make sure ukuthi kuse ukoleka especially timbasha kubiya ngasekhaya utakhona provide.
Yeah,
awinile bro.
for sure.
Awinile bro.
For sure.
Awinile.
Now you gotta have the back bro. Yabona
kuyidla ungayidla dog but
yeah,
wangakhona provider bro utahamba
Tokushiya,
ukuthi
bro.
udle kanye
hambile nje.
hambe.
Alright guys, hope you enjoy the show, the podcast shit.
Yeah.
You feel me? If you are tapped in with us, make sure guys like if you love this, watching this content, make sure you go on YouTube, subscribe to All LSD, the Uncut Brothers, bro.
Yeah.
No, the name of the channel is All LSD, the show Uncut Brothers, in this motherfucker episode 2.
Yeah.
Comment, make sure you comment down below.
Let us know in the comments.
you have to, bro.
Let us know.
So that this is to build a community, trying to build a community here.
Njengoba sihlezi sisho ukuthi we're doing this shit for me
shit.
and you.
Yeah.
Asikushiyele ngephandle.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So what made the guys?
Once again, shout out to our studio,
VJ Barbershop. Make sure you visit the VJ Barbershop.
Envonjeni. Nakwendeka ukulenza waya senvonjeni, make sure ukuthi check a VJ bambita ngambuso.
Yeah.
Where ukasetco. Yeah.
Noma ngabe kuphi, you can pull up.
Yeah. Swazilende mncane kakhulu, you can pull up. Yeah.
And then get a haircut, fresh haircut, bro.
You'll be clean as fuck.
You feel me?
Also them baddies.
Them baddies and shit.
Bio and them blondes.
Yeah.
As you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
We love you guys.
We love you guys. Make sure you get tuned to the next video. Gonna come in episode 3.
Because we're coming back.
Coming back.
Nkani, bro.
Like we never left.
Talking shit day by day.
You feel me?
Smashing hoes.
Smashing hoes for sure, for sure, bro.
Smashing hoes, they know, bro.
I will.
We out.
Peace.
Twerk.
Check out.
Yeah.